Hi, Dick Rochfort here. We're on our way to Paducah. We're 7 miles outside of Aseti, which is the initial approach fix for the RNAV runway 5. And as you can see, it's overcast at Paducah. Weather is at 23 minutes old, but it's winds out of the northeast, 040, 6 knots, 10, visibility 10, 1700 over. So almost VFR, but we're still going to use the RNAV 5 to get there.
10 degrees to the right,
and so we have it correctly loaded. We've slowed down a bit in the descent to 3,000.
Number 36908 Delta, Memphis.
Yeah, my preference is to load the full approach, including the course reversal. Then once you see what the story is, you see that you're able to get to your assigned altitude without a turn in the hold. You simply cover the word hold with the cursor and hit clear enter. As you can see, we've already done that.
Alright, we got him in on radar with 754.
As far as power management, there's not much to do with this nearly new Mirage. You set 70% power, and then when it comes time to slow down, 200. When it comes time to slow down, come back to about 23 inches. That way we'll get 130 knots clean level. And the trick is not to do that too soon, so you don't have to put power back. And of course, the condition of the sky will determine how much you slow down and how soon. Of course, we have the speed brakes if we need them. All right, so here's Aseti. Once we're inside Aseti, we can descend 2,000. And away we go.
Yes, sir. With 734.
And now you can report established.
Thank you much.
Center 569 Lima Delta established on the RNAV 05.
For 569 radar service terminate, contact Paducah Tower 119.6.
Over to tower 119.6, 569 Lima Delta, see ya.
65.
It's getting pretty weak there.
Tower 569 Lima Delta on the RNAV 05, 4 from Bitka.
And that was 9 Lima Delta.
Affirm, we're 4 from Bitka out here.
All right, number 569 Lima Delta, Paducah Tower, report Bitka inbound 1 column by temperature 3013.
What did he just say?
He didn't say cleared to land.
I got that part.
And 3013, sorry. We set that in there. Yep, 13.
Yep.
And 9 Lima Delta, did you copy that? Report Bitcam down for me, altimeter 3013.
Affirm, we'll report Bitcam for you in 3013, 569 Lima Delta.
Roger that. I got a couple other inbounds right now. How far outside of Bitka are you?
We're at
2.3.
2.3 out of Bitka now.
Okay, thank you.
150 knots. We'll be slowing down. Here comes the glide path. There's a chance we're going to get that glide path. I wouldn't do much about that yet.
Paducah Tower 816 Papa Alpha, the 1 mile
But
right.
what we don't want to do is get
Six Papa
fast.
Alpha, runway 14, 1 variable 3, clear to land.
14 clear to land, 816 Papa Alpha.
We don't want to be fast and high. So hang on to the gear. Yeah, go for the gear now. Because we're about
Papa
to
Alpha, turn left on Foxtrot, taxi to the ramp.
Left on Foxtrot to the ramp, 6 Papa Alpha.
Baron 817 Mike, Badoo runway 14, right on Charlie, wind calm, altimeter 3013. Got an air tractor taxiing into the ramp.
We're using 120 knots as our approach speed because it's the Category Bravo speed, which is right for this aircraft. It's the top end of the speed, but it gives us maximum energy should we need a go around, and it's well within the second notch of flap speed, which when we get the runway in sight, we would add those flaps. Once we've added those flaps, this power setting will put us in the white arc. So as we get closer and make the decision to land, or to continue I should say, we bring off the autopilot with a double tap of the red button and then add the full flaps. Once we're committed to the landing, that would be in the flare probably, we'll idle the power and
500.
take the hand off the power lever and put it on the yoke, just to remind the brain that you're not going around, so that your hand isn't doing something your brain didn't command. We have the runway in sight, it appears clear, we have a clearance, landing light is on, autopilot is off, full flaps. And small changes, just using power, small changes to cross that threshold in the flare at 90 knots. It's looking good. Using trim to adjust the pitch. Yep, just hold the wings level and use the crab. Yep, that's it. Sweet, right there. A little right rudder as the nose comes up. A little other right. Yep, there you go. Yep, nice. Back pressure with brakes. And we're going through the intersection.
Blue 9 Lima Delta, turn left on Charlie, taxiway and taxi west ramp.
All right, left on Charlie, over the ramp, 569 Lima Delta.
Use safe taxi for that. Here's us. Here's the crossing runway. There's Charlie.
Baron 817 Mike, shorter runway 14. When you're ready, we're ready for departure.
Consider staying on that center line because that's where everybody's looking for you.
17 Mike, Roger, stand by.
Nobody coming? I didn't hear clear to cross, but it's our runway. Taxi speed by the leader. Careful not to side load the tires.
Okay, Baron 817 Mike, runway 14, 10503, clear for takeoff on course, 3000.
Left on course
Nicely done.
3000, clear for takeoff 14, Baron 817 Mike.
Dick Rochfort, fly safely. Train off.